Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube Dev Channel, and in this video we will continue coding our To-Do app. So guys, if you have missed my earlier videos, so you can just check the links in the description box. Okay, so yeah, so let's start coding. So 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 in this video we are going to complete our To-Do app component. Okay, so let's code our To-Do app. So I have taken should update here in order to re-render my list. Okay, that means whenever we will be creating a new to do, so that it gets added, it will be added to the to do array, and it will be reflected to that list that we will be rendering on the screen. Okay, so let's create our to do. Okay, so friends, in this here, what we are going to do is we will be add a listener over here. Okay, we will we will be listening to the event that is create to do that we created in our previous video. Okay, so we will be listening to that event here, and when we will catch that event, okay, so what we have to do is on catching that event we will call a function. Okay, so let's see, like v on and the name of the event like create to do, and what we have to do when we get that event, we have to call this function create to do. Okay, so let's code create to do. Okay, so we are going to save our to do to local storage here. Okay, here we are going to save our to do to local storage, and the new to do that I have written over in parameter, it is basically the payload that we are going to receive with the event. Okay, so first we are going to check whether we have to do array already in the local storage or not. If we have, then first we will be initializing our this variable with that array, else we will declare we will initialize it with an empty array. Okay, okay, now what we have to do is we simply have to push the to do that we are creating, okay, the object that we are creating into this array, and we have to set this new array, this updated array into our local storage. Okay, yeah, and one more thing, we also have to toggle its value, the state that we created, so that every time its value get toggled, we can re-render the list. Okay, the DOM will be refreshed. Let's see whether our to do gets saved into local storage or not. Okay, we are getting an error. Mm, Invalid handler for event create to do got undefined. Okay, create to do is not defined. Okay, so we have some spelling mistake. Let's correct it. Yeah, here we misspelled the name of the function. Let's run one again. Cool. So guys, you can see that our to do got saved into the local storage. Okay, so let's take the object. We have our done false because not completed, and info and title. Okay, so guys, once we have created our to do, we also need to show that to do on the screen. Okay, and we will also code the completed task and pending task. Okay, that what is the number. So let's code. Okay, so friends, what we are doing here, we have our array. Okay, that is to do's basically our array that we are getting from the local storage. Okay, and now we are using the filter method. Okay, in JavaScript we have the filter method that we can apply on array, and what it does is it simply performs the operation that we define inside filter, and it returns us a new array. Okay, the modified array. So what I have done here, the operation that I'm performing is like if, okay, and it has the power to each and every element of that array. So I am checking like in to do's, like for every to do object in which I have done equals to true. Okay, so return that array for me. Okay, for completed task. And what I'm doing then is I'm simply getting its length. Okay, and I'm showing it in front of completed task. And for pending tasks, what we are gonna do is we again use the filter method, and in this case we check for the objects in which our done is not true. Okay, and we simply show its length. Okay, so that's our idea basically. And if you don't know about the filter function, that how it works, then you can check my 10 days of JavaScript tutorial series, and I will drop the link in the description box so you can get an idea. Okay, so guys, let's code our to do component. Okay, so basically earlier we were coding to do list. Okay, so in to do list we have to render, we simply have to run a loop, and every time the and for each index we have to render the loop component, or I mean to say to do component. Okay, so let's code this to do component, that is title, info, and these two icons of and edit and recycle bin. Okay, and the button. Okay friends, so this is all for this video. We will be solving this error in the next part. So till then, stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.